In this video, we're going to do a replacement on this LED fluorescent flush mat light that doesn't work. And when I flip the switch, we still have no light. Just only one came on. So we're going to replace this faulty fixture. So we're going to start removing this old light fixture that happens to be an LED one right here that doesn't work. Make sure the power is turned off before you do this, which I already have the power off, so it's safe to work on this fixture. When replacing or even servicing a fixture that doesn't work, so always know your safety when doing it yourself. Just need to slide it and it should come right out. I really like the fact about this fixture that it has a cable mounted to the brackets, so you don't have to worry about this thing coming straight out, with the fact that this thing is a little heavy when working on electrical fixtures when installing these, which they make this thing very helpful. So we're going to pull the wires out. And don't worry guys, the power's off. You can see I just pull out the flush mounted light fixture, and you can see there's the wires that I just pulled out from the box. And we're going to remove these wires to replace this fixture. So we're going to remove the ground, just need to remove the neutral, and remove the hot wire. And you remove the wires that go from the light fixture. And if you see these wires, which is a 2-in-1 light fixture, so I happen to have 2 wires on each side, which goes for the other fixture. So as it's connected on a 2-in-1 fixture, which this wire is going from the other fixture, so don't get confused to which wires go to which fixture. Keep them on, and this is actually for the power that's getting feed from not just this fixture to the other fixture that is working. This is what you will see when you come across a light fixture box that has electrical wires. So that happened to use my meter to test for incoming voltage, which we happen to get good voltage coming onto this power wires. Happen to do it off camera. So we're going to remove this old fixture and put in a new one. Once you're done removing the wires to the fixture, just need to unclip this fixture. Be very careful when removing a light fixture. And the old fixture is removed. Having to get this replacement one, which is the same exact replacement. So if you have a same fixture that you're ordering, you don't need to replace the bracket that's on your ceiling, because this fixture you're getting, even with the same brand, has the same bracket. So you could reuse a bracket if you're buying the same replacement fixture for a fixture that's bad. You could just only replace the fixture instead of replacing the whole hardware. The plate of the fixture is still good, so if you have a new light fixture that you just unboxed, you just need to pull the brackets off of this for installation. And even if you're having one of these fixtures that you have right now that just went bad, you could just reuse the bracket if it's the same bracket that you have in one of your fixtures in the ceiling. You don't need to replace the bracket, even if you have a problem with the old bracket not fitting for the new one, which this happened to be the same fixture, the same size, and no problems at all, even if you know to what fixture you have. Usually if you're replacing your light fixture that was faulty, we're going to change this bracket for a new one. You guys can see I'm putting in the new mounting bracket for the light fixture because I replaced the old one. And make sure you check for studs around this wall, which I already did. So I have studs for a piece of wood to drill the screws in. You can see I just installed these, the new wall bracket, and it's all secured. Make sure they're secured. Perfect. Now we can install the new fixture. Make sure you install the cables. Cables all installed, so let's connect the wires. We are going to connect the wires to the new fixture I just replaced. So we're going to connect the hot wire to the light fixture. Make sure they're snug, and it is. So let's connect the neutral. It's all secured with the wires, and we're going to connect the ground to the light fixture. We're going to connect the ground to the junction box. Yep, it's all in. So let's test the light. And the light works. So this light has different settings. So if you flip the switch on the side, you can change the color setting.
And thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, if it did, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button or notification bell so you'll be notified too. So you never miss a video that we upload on this repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.